Hello dear friends, today I will show you how easy, fast, and simple it is to make a deposit using a card in Trust Wallet. We open our Trust Wallet, enter our password, and then go to the main menu. To make a deposit, you need to click on the three buttons under our account: Send, Receive, and Buy. Press the Buy button, and here we can choose any cryptocurrency we want to buy. In the search engine, we type in USDT, after which we can see which specific network we prefer to purchase it on. I apologize, we enter Tron. Choosing either Ethereum or BNB, I will choose Tron. Here we enter the amount of currency we want to buy. Next, we decide on our preferred method of payment, which in this case is a credit card. Next, simply click the button to proceed with your purchase using a credit card for payment. And we visit this website where you are required to enter processed by USDT. Here, you will need to input your email address for verification purposes. Next, you will receive an SMS code to your email, which you will enter on this website, after which you will link you pay with a card using cryptocurrency. I won't do that because I don't need this cryptocurrency on this exchange. Friends, thank you for watching. If everything worked out for you, please like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Did you succeed? If not, write in the comments and I will definitely help you. See you soon!